time na sesa kakra obetena TV ho arese ada 6 ne yan start ene ya sesem because demand ne ko high ebi so be fi edwom beba be du fie na ya pon program ne bi say 6 ne no mo teke ma fi no mo be fie nti afa di yan sesa ma omo ampa omo ne hwe ya nti e de on be ka na wo se edi so 7 as I say ya start no da bia 7 o'clock ene de be sha ase ne ya pon no nkono me bo ase 9 nkono ah ne ya pon no nkono se da bia munim no ne ma wuli ofie ha yakwaye ya bani ene bishop benanyako ene ne yekoye na eyi krakrakra kata na chi krakrakra enti yenyina hwe ya ho ne yenyina yefri bo bia hwe black ansa na yenua baako Ike the unpredictable ono so ye ne maame de e to side ho facha ye ne na eyi no dos enti me nyina enti bi be kobi ne bia ma kwakuja sin so maame kwakuja si otonyom kwakuja sin so maame enso em se na so yekosie no awa asafo enye ize enti ne de kuma se ye bebrebe na se John so enra na ye sister Gifty last 2 weeks and ye o papa ye o sashi ye fro sashi asanwe ne so mentimi ama na sashi be kwai fache me sashi yo so ostro afo nyina se o moma o hyeden mauli
oba
won efo
kuma se awon friend dey order da na ndé nije ni wo
anije ni ho e dey na se
kuma se ndé am ni o ka se ye nua be ma Ray Concept o ye movie producer 5 pack o papa
o photo ni
no Adolf on see movie producer ni nua penny and then you see no and they are near san koye Ike the unpredictable ono so e ma me yie and they are na kokuje sin so e ma me yie and they are na Bishop Benanyako
enso yie
wow na wotwi mu me nua ba a odi me 5
onso awu
ahonam ono so enkran our Valley View University level final year ono so ewu ya bia kuma say enye easy
same my goddess that bro lela be na etinwe ekime vule be siasa former sakasa o kispi umunikito nti siasa dia so umunikito no kispi na mi no so kispi
abro kasa de mintio
sabe we dey so usia kasa bia
ote
beti kakra
that bro so kuludigu
klupa
yeah man
abro ma to me ana
ba na wo ko there
oh Yesu adom
oh nice bibi okoso kama
oh nyame adom bibi
industry ni bibi ade de na ko na nsem ko hwe interview bi na o kire se de esi ni ma de dane ade wo Stacy show so ni ade na wo kire mi se yese ene san komo nya bebo
ye kan sa o ka se o kire se de kan straight
straight
se de awale betim
to de no ye ne se de awale betim
o ka se o kire se de ne ma de
da o da say your wife ebi awa ware o kire se de oba
se de wawale betim
se de wawale betim na se no kire say minim say after music no say counselor kan we need to go to him and then find it out mauli yanko tintan homa no so mo se de shata wala ye dey
tintan homa no so de ensamba ko pe na da ho
o mo se
o se de bia me kasa asem ne say shata wale sa wonya bible ene Quran bom na wo de mix wo de sam wo de bitua no wo de bi son still won't me sesa
I don't know why.
Kuma say na won twa mu ya wa e be chance week ya mpo one contractor o ye kwan e wo bebi a Shatawale office wo
okay
ya be say Shatawale akono so ama ne boys ba akobbo contractor no boys ni bi aso ni nyina ne say road no ye no oso onye bi enfamesi ni office enim because ni office ne be ho according to the story contractor ni tire say contractor the man no enye se oben ho no eno ani ebufue na kuma se yanhwa de bi the name Shatawale wo Ghana ha no ani kura no ayoman because nipa di Shatawale chi no ebaburu 10 million na wo Ghana ha
yes
e fe wiase ntonchen
yes
enti Shatawale sole anapa ono ye board kwa enough ko contractor no say many from Shatawale no ko be won open mi sro me office ni tika be mo du de mo nya kakra enfam na no ma believe me you say nyanseni bi o contractor bi o Ghana bi e be boss
that is so ma contractor ni sika or something it is so ma ni sika senka odu wa on stand mra ne ho na shatter 2 kwan kwa abrochiri nti obedu Ghana no na contractor hu se shatter aba nti na o me pressure be dey e be ne de na ma no sa na koye you
kuma say na no krampo no hwe wudin ekura wo na hwe nimpa esuan wo man Ghana mu esa wo boy escort nimpa no so
dabi
so man scar you know the laws in Ghana. Why didn't you involve the police? Say, yo, nipa na me kasa onye me tumi mfama me. Me ko ba or why didn't you ask the person now we say singers in Kwana it is sometimes I feel pity for my brother because dear what says me over you.
Okay,
I keep saying say and you may be as a man not to be deba who come there now brother so why is he now?
Okay,
why is he now? We're talking about the future. It's your building bonnie no I had the papa and cover patcho. Say you had the papa no cover patcho. Ya kasa tawale so yeka wasemi da ku be no money o
that one say I will be abuna na
ya wa hasi na oba bi akwa court kakra no no see ko be no na edna kwakotu
oba be a
oh ikwa pumpolo
yo
one day one we be da be sorry no na ebi ye Shatawale who on the stage so or just don't boy am Ethiopia stage so say gba any you to the kum nipa ben mi nsa won ma look at the mess kwakoso Ghana
ara memra sameso kakra before me ba wa ankasa so no Saturday hu ni say me sure say also we industry nim unua no we musician so musician nti wo be
say me ankasa men say dan tie
nti abro aka wate endoje same unim Shatawale
men say dan tie
nti story say na waka no nti sama wo take o ya de na wa anya de
oh ye uze ye wade bi wo no ma bia wo behu ni se wa anya de bet ono de ohunu se wa ya
papa won che ade a wa ya de de empa
entina me hu de me kan because me say dem follow
yi
aha
yeah enwa na yenua kwa de di ni birthday ewo Royal America Havana ho squad bibi by Nyankopon show bi obai
yeah
Hamaso Nyankopon show no it's about time I was Kumase for no mo form to mapa in music ni
fra Kumase Kumase boys wa ha ho yen tina Royal TV Entertainment so nyimbre na yen tuomufu yen mom warning how leadership by example boy bi a peja wo Kumase pe na nkranfo dada na okonkan kwa na ya killing the career
mebo mauli unsa sade no study ya that is what is going on terry sanity o boys star boys na wa ha no mo ye rappers no mo ye good no omo hit ba pepe ye ne kwa okwa akra so a ni ba ba kwa shela se no akele no but omo nim they don't have that idea no say
ye nua kabu
yes
ewo Kumase
body
oh kabu
okay
akọ recently ye nua boy KC ntwene
KC the obo engineer
sound nyobo obi ani master bi
yeah man
kwagori akra
okay
me witness one instrument on programming ya je ede come different engineer no master wie not the din dia to so removing the name KC
see na free ho ana no munyina ya no makotena akra I don't know
Kumase momentina fie ni ya ebeye yie
me ba samiti Kumase mami musa na ni u secret na ni say
on say me kura durum le bi nka me kwa akra
okay
de nkaima ma akọ ne say na me nuanum Kumase presenters ne mu bi mu nyu mu nyina etu wo mani si me so asemba kura nse so mbeka bia mama no
na omu gu ani mase
na o makota hoho na chi nti na ayem se me so me nkobi
okay
ana mse da bi ise Kumase aka ye kan gospel artist na Kumase a me ka se bobo abro kura ha wontimi mo tu ana atre
mo mo toso
and say there be me ka o mo
currently
I wontimi mo be tre because obi akọ Selina Boateng
ko
Oba Pa Christy ko George Blessing ko omo won kan ni no me Kumase fu
enti na say girls no omo akra no hit omo to go
no mo nkatia oko oje OPS Esther Georgia omo nyina everybody me ko anka me ko tere se asemba se yeye Kumase fo no ebeso yemu na ya kanta no je na ebeso yemu agu yenim ase sa asem se nya no kore ya kana poto me nka so omo nyina ebi mu
okay
ni ya kana poto me tuwa na msi debi senkranfo frame me program na mutwa plane ticket ne nko a ne hotel ne nko a no e ma me brand no
e kosoro
e mu yidu enti anim guasi wo ten metinem
okay
na metinem mu no so no e di nkunim o kan asem bi so o mu kwa no makokele but metena ha no I'm still the champion.
You still the champion,
yeah.
And you will continue to reign, and you will reign and reign and reign and reign.
Amen.
My goddess.
Was some idea onyanchemu. No be same it yana.
Menka sembi. In life no se uhu enema bi pick up on temwa. Ya na time bia no uko wanim. Then tell me kasa ne say ono ne nwum bi o de bia ya de o system ni mu e be e fa wo.
And I want to say Also, because presenters be any sin non-council. Yes, it is true. But you see, some are the type of person that don't know you. So feel say nyame no so onye mfa ma o minor ya wo kan nya nasem.
Okay.
I never come to believe some no. Me nim some pa. Amafo timi de omuni sin ho lambaste na bo baba bonte no na obeto no nyum.
Me ba o na de ya no mo lambaste na wo kan ya na waye. We also waye.
Kuma so nya no mo interview okoye me tie interview no bi o. He was explaining something about marriage. But the actual blogging no, the control say okay dramasem.
Meanwhile, the all can so ya the education.
So ya teach me a na ka wono ko baka say and I can say no kuma say the fact is our Christopher won be egu because of drugs akese. Christo ni bad drugs. O se ni ensa na agia homa so fa. Ni kunu be free, ni kunu ye mu bank. Ni kunu ye elder. Ebi kunu ye teacher. Ebi kunu ye radio presenter. Obedu fie no na ne ye ntuma bonu na permini we sign na emi ni ko. But believe me you. Me free kunu mu be fie no. Me share youngest ni bi.
Okay.
Do you say this for trotro pono? And ni egu na sin show ada me yabo me nipa. Me feel bi. Eti e be fia. Awale for Christopher ni e come once mo. O ware a. Skin ni omushi. O se kwa bonte e na nkofo be kan shekiri okunu dem.
Okay.
So we na kitchen. Na wo sha wo miniskirt bi. Na wo kuna brepa wo kura de bag wo rafie. Daddy akwabo. Wo ya na tuwa. Sebi ni wo kura hati.
E be sorry. Wow. Sebi ni wo kura be peja. Ene say nye nkwa ne be di dwumade jakalolu mi so say wa be kan sa ofia ye dem komo twetwe ne be hyehyes na topic of the day no stars a omo gospel no ye so mu nyina hete na omo dwane akotan krai omo wawe enso so ya na ensem bebrebe wom mi gina na metwa ho abara me ka me se dwumade omo aso ya sen ask media omo se bra opesa wo ye editor opesa wo TV presenter se me amete ya bra omo betete omo 3 months omo sa 6 months sa se o A&A travel and tour opesa ko country bia so o wi ase last farmers e ho de twato omo de obeko India nyina A&A fo omo de obeko omo wo rubber plus and Hepa plus nyina omo wo hobi sa se o Hepa plus immune system booster ebo adwuma yi se waye adwuma abre na opesa body ni sa gina na so the next day Hepa plus na se wonom meka Hepa plus na me ma Hepa plus abusuafo nyina ya akọ se ye Hepa plus ne ma me afi mo mkwakọ ye yi no asankregwa Royal TV with my phone ya be dia kira kobi sa se wo Rubicondo and the simanim no waye adwuma abre na wo fie na wo TV no aka na to say no wo the ice cream kakra gu glass na Rubicondo kakra gu ho na se wo sepono kakra so sa se wo Greenview Foods omo na ma aduane dia na gusa na me refini di o ma spring roll spring and a roll and a we mixture of pineapple and kwadu ni bibia so Greenview for no sa se wo exact mineral water enso ayebo adwuma yi pa wo fie na wo party engagement bibia tobi na ebebo wo ye gina na atwa ho aba ye ba enkomotwetwe ne beto aso same wa ha abronso wa ha my god is amade gonsebla munti we mo kasi ase obosse bole oso bale woni mo hunu asam na gina sum na spectacle black adday o tensa mo ye no agi so ama mo fie mma konsuo o mo butu sesese ku no agi so ama me wanga se ku da ye le call me da pharmacy ku same
na same so chasi no
poso on take asano
o ton me ana
men ton but e wo so usua
matun se na abla ho aba ba still o se ye tin na
e no fe ye le but e dey so ton no
edija Bernard nya akokwan
we na edija Bernard kwan
so ati ase
we ene me wo so pa
esukura ye jahim
yes eno de dey ya yes anywhere any marry ho and yeah man nti ye ti aye kasa nya ye nim se wo ha
sure
yeah man ye nim se ye wa ha
sure ye nya
ko no ha ko hebi
sure
Royal TV
Same ye kona wo kan asem bi se the presenters in Kumasi omo ase na bi kan won sem ene ade wo ye den what was the main thing away internal map
abrabona ye bo no
okay
obi anim de beto no kwam
okay
nobody knows
this yankopon ko
ti bibi betimi aba se obi kura timi to credit wan si di no betwere bibi
okay
sika ba YouTube to onim so for picture no otwere bibi no de ton obehwa me na nya ne sika
okay
nti asem na nya ne kura no otwere de ye de
aba beto ho
no de to to de to bi a president bi o me nua se ni se no kom ukase onim ho hwe kura oboa
o pede nya ne views
oboa onim ho bi abro o we nam kura da de obejaare
pressure na beba no na ya na de ne ya omka so waye ebi ni se obetima hye ba kwa kase sem yese which enye
te se o nse de hu de yese ma yo and so be what me totally so
onya sure say wo hu amanfo ahi
o say we say the Bible cross the nipa nyina dowa die ntia no kra de ana
enkan
ko nipa nyina ntimi no anya adwuma ana nipa nyina do kra wonya hard working so watamfo do so chen wadofo
okay
e pushu ama wo hard work go say ye pese yi mi free system ni mu a o fo ablabo enye eni agro but nipa wo ya ade o sole a obeda but wonyo wo yesi wo no hu se nipa e pa odanfo a o so ba yere wo mpa ebom na wa ye adwuma den onya me so ehirawo tia na no na times eboa ye obi a wonti agro na se no at times enso heba when you come across test you are coming to get a testimony.
Okay.
And he said enso heba sa no no wan teku na wo ye yi a obeti to say time bia wo relax ye di watem so na wo ko onye papa na wo ko wade aduro na wo ko oye hokot Ghana de obi apeja ya
hokot waje aduro
ten de ya ti abre
ba me de mo nka bi nche me dade
sa
na me na hokot de na mo ade ba hokot ba me ba mo na same yamra emre bi atwam ne hu se same akoye eseduro eno na eho asem te say was it something now the bay hanya because say creativity the time bia wo ho a da so the bibi bobo system nim say the an nim say amanfo ye no na afia sa raise wudi no ne ade was it a plan thing and I say
I don't know empanifo se mamen ka ho asem
am se men ka ho asem yemfa no nto yenko anoda oh nice it's good sometimes is ade bi wo ho na sempanifo to mo na nsiso a sa wo je achi na okodi ho nkomo na sesa ko raise ba wa wasem a into waka mate obo gospel
papa
ya na mo dressing bi wo ho ya na wa na ofilisa wo ye because me hu say boy bi da wa ye no mama gospel for
oh say your papa Archbishop Duncan Williams ko na de da
dan team na wo follow onya da who follow the Duncan ya na say wo
ene ne sa
okay
na abo no na be de na ekokum Yesu
da bida
obi asa atale tentin asini na ase atoro a watwa mo ye de obi akoje no
yeah man
sa rasta ne sa we ni nyina no enye bone ewu
okay
emfa nyame hu wakoma mesu obi sa atale tenten entro a watwam ye de obi akohyeje no
enye ntroketwa
wow kisosum na ye som no on say first ubetwa video kura this wakogina flowers
yes
na wakogina apple bi ho
abotan so
say a Christopher mobo
yes
we enam ya me wi ni TV so yi ya ko yi e kom di ma me wi obi be ka sama ya bone
anu aye bone
obi ko be ka me yedwe so wo we na mo TV
so enti say no
enso makọ yi e kom de me
yes kom de na da say na say na ade na ye
me say abro obi be ka say drink abro we ni dwe bia abro asema me ka me
you start here show we see me ntwa no first me na me na me first ade chi no obi atro gu Facebook page abro e kurasi ni o TV so didi
na do TV so ayi so nyenam
edu time bia the same kan ye no kuru same enam ye be wia ma tan fun no mo nto
ya na ade le say me na me tia na me host ade me wi bia na say malu be ye kama wi fa me kama wi pa same yamra enti e ba say na ye monwura gospel nim te say how many albums now was say
5 albums
and
I'm saying makakra kramenya 5,000 live worships
when you 5,000 different 5,000 how
every channel come be beto a channel nima meto na so me wie na da be to ya na da
okay
the call radio so de me wie ya na ma de na me de ato
oh okay
say CDs ni mo de ato
oh ya just
concentrate ewo digital platform
oh okay
a channel say me to ya
let's da ho de ato wow me 4 albums
5 albums the total 5 na afa na me be launch no ochina kwasi ewo Grace Baptist Church
eno ye beba ho asem eno de ye beka ho asem na semadi ka chem say enefia be the loaded of stars enen common no so ye different all together because a mixture of gospel and mixture of actors and mixture of Jack Akwaba Tibia wako de we dey share part it was allo that bacho Akwaba bi men san bibia wa ha obetima no bibia nsuo no bibia efie wako de why feel
Masi da kaloro medie ontimi mpi wabra no be time
adenta wo secret ne say
ukoni fia ubu so owo yene papa
oh nice
na single to be sekura no na kire say we na eni da wo yie pa on dey so dey aba no enye ne pen dress si na yiri adawoma na siesie sa minim dey make
okay unim dey okay ma me Jack so Jack asa dey why din abro kasa asa won kasa bi
o cheni na dwen
na say dey okay oba papa bo chidom nti eden
no crap because o abẹ mi so da nti onim ba bia ofia
ba bia singlet ni nyina asensen
o say enipa bia so no me ma me bia sama kan say upie no onim ba bia excuse me to say obe share classmate
yes
but wa parents no be hu na that moment no ebe determine wan kasa
who you are
bia woduru abrabo nti nipa bia no na mo appearance how do you call him especially at least we say oma edimu
okay
because nya fe na obi kwa share money for bi na fe na me ye fast akofia dress that time no and they all wanna present it
oni no ofa na apie no ofa address wa friend Kwame was ofa sebra no be je Kwame ofa my kama ka was ofa de o wani o de o wani so I come ofa me fan kosa oh nice it's good say obenya obi obo chido matem bia Mauli o ye konkonsa
enye konkonsa
all right
second one so eduane if on the wife for ye banku no we twimuku no no ko bi ato me oh that your man wife
na my wife
me say on
nobody kata say at the top
my Lord will make a way where there seems to be no way. The Lord will change my life. He will change my destiny. Tomorrow by this time, God will make a way for me. He will make a way. Tomorrow by this time, God will make me cry.
Your voice can be remisu.
Voice the will be no one out no. This why rehearsal yes.
Oh yeah, we say voice in here sing.
Jack.
After
Since that song no, God will make a way. I say yeah shedanti Jack in kabiem.
Ona on time.
Nice one moment on can say.
Say baby I will nominate say the asumade e hye waso say open o temin kan ka betemin. But what is was mama me say o pese o betemin kan. E na baby I will nominate so baby I am not to omunka.
Me to obi anka so na me nua no na musa sa me nto nka.
O ka say be say o ka say me really tomorrow by this time we no on temin kan biem dia. Yeah me twa mani am we asumade e hye waso na me say yeah on temin kan.
Jack, enyum be na o tomorrow by this time. You hear enyum a
my enyum bebe nansen akra onte kra nti uso me muso onte
mate uso me but se mi busawa Jack se mi busawa ma omo abonten me se me no nanam 24/7 et mi busawa na wache ma mahu say okay mi wo we
nti se ano kasa MIT for na
me se me nkam ho bi me kasa MIT for
ayo afi no wache
me kasa MIT for nti wo de me nkasa ma wo watin komo na se e na abonten so nsem a yetere tare abonten so ma yetere Jack ba ha e dey ye bisa. They say Yamra Jack, what are you up to?
Up to asking.
O next album Bada Bay, or last album Bada Bay. When are we expecting the next album? And anything be a Jack a good kwemo Jack.
Yeah, they say industry in the baby and I'm to say a album be.
Okay.
On say why be a song be no way no I mean me say me uso me say a single way I'm the band.
Yes.
Okay. And from there no virus no se ba no me san song bia and so no fa me see won sem yeah and so na concerning the virus no
okay
and I don't know me we no so na sia no akoy say me san was studio me san recording.
Oh nice.
Nti me ready to be obi obeka kan ni album na obeka say bia oh yeah album they are fine. But you see you concentrate on album say oh yeah full album and I say be so
this time you're bono
say me sure say I'm say sugar nyum kwa no wadi kan ye bia
yeah man
say wa kan ina
akokola mage kan bomu
age kan bomu an o
de fanu omo echira
Jack but you say uti Kumasi na Accra
me ti Kumasi ti Accra
both
obo ti Accra
Jack uti Accra na uti Kumasi
me say me ti Kumasi ti Accra
but who Accra more
say me family wo Kumasi
but who Accra more
yeah
okay
Jack what was that question me say no
say no maybe o same say no uti Kumasi na
ti Accra say
me ti Kumasi ti Accra
because obusuan for
obusuan wo Kumasi ana me anka me kan say adwuma ne like it be project be am so me person me yenti no
yes music business in Kumasi no mo side no booming ti ase ya na obi adwane akwakra because ne ebobodin Obapa Christy ko Joyce Blessing ko yabobodin bebebe adentra ya na secret be no ma ya no mudwane ko a won so ukoi
men koi but me kan say on say Accra no ho
ani ma no wo
mechanic say ministry no obi fa no say we are part of him ebia wonyom kra na ebia ye won kophobia mechanic say they see us like omuntimi mom paye dodo but onyom ekasa kire no onamo a obo wonyum ni hina no hu say the prayer ni mo ano wo no nti those people no utimi hia bia utimi eye wadoya I mean me kan nkran asem obi timi hia no aka chose oh bram office ochina like oh eno so na sebi
yeah dey boy na say Kumasi ade hia my office bi ni ha
enye say bi ni ha because say Kumasi no Accra so chen Kumasi
okay
offices no
and on say yeah institutions ni na dodo na so won kran won obi shi obi o bra me ministry me ka say me yare na nsen na me na me ko minister wo state house na after me ministration nim na say honorable attaching say ohia me but on say no ona no ka chem so Monday bra office
okay
Engineer say me to Kumasi and say me Kumasi Monday bra office fina me fa flight akọ
any hona the Monday there's a picking can want some here can I
well that's a Kumasi office no muti wa dey pa
obi nka there be uti let's state it say mama nyama no ensi boni
me ba me topa
na say mo kan say me see Kumasi
enya wo na okaye
and men fan kwesi won so
abo fan si o manin kasa
so say for 50 wo Kumasi
na 50 wo
na 50 nkan na 50 no e office na Kumasi 50 no office a na Kumasi no mutimo
o chire manin chem
me nkan office per se o be me kan be si say won say Accra no me kan say businesses dodo na Accra ho
okay
business is the links wo ho
now apart from say we gospel business baby na outside ya outside can business bi am sa
oh and they mean to me disclose
oh okay business bi any ho
mean to me disclose
untimin disclose apart from gospel the way untimin disclose oh nice but ka wadwuma no ho a eboa wo ma utimi ye bibia ase and stop from going to studio ni ade adwuma kro na wo dey attach no eboa
David
emwa ja o confused so some nyum enam na o we no asle sa do na wa we nam sa o ba chose wa we nam nyina ani je fie na oguso a o nobody ga ka che ha ani je nkwa ene ja kalo do ha
but who am na ye nam na I just want to praise them.
You want to give them acknowledgement. Green view guys you ani mo ya
opposite Royal TV station
really in Ghana here
omo ye door to do everything.
I thought it's from UK or something.
No Green View opposite Royal TV Kumasi.
So they did this gizzard
papa
God bless
Sami gizzard the way you want and you don't
Munganje Mr. Mankwaze mu fa bi mia
Sami Oh, Renam is good.
So the program in 2 hours.
Yeah, man. Yeah, so 3 hours in pool.
I don't want to die here.
Yeah, no. Chill. It's yours, man.
Then I went to funeral.
Oh, yes. I said chill. Who is talking?
Okay, but that's finished.
All right.
Let them bring more.
Sorry. Me boss will be Sammy Ochina, oh, you're lunching.
Sure.
Bansana Bebas, my memory Boza. Boza, what is the meaning of Boza?
What is that?
Gospel, hip life, and hip hop.
What is that Ghana? No. It would have sort of them near choreography. Be this year born Nigeria for them.
Okay.
Timothy and the said there be. They say you could gradually Nigeria for years. The video to Nigeria and so Wafakuluma.
Yes.
Now we can presenters be more some new money now.
Okay.
Obiti have promote Nigeria for you. Ne drew an ahmatikura na where TV ya Nigeria for you mongo.
Okay.
Tina was a so body a choreography was sorry.
Betimi
aye.
Okay.
Tina me to say what that so tiase na wo nkwa mami Boza. Esem.
Na say what that so tiase na wo nkwa.
Yeah, mami Boza.
Na Boza na ye den.
Because you entia. Because you had 2020, 2021.
2020.
Yeah, that's what you said. And Yamin Yedin ye pa. Tisa that's what you say. That's all one qua, Mamma Dean.
Boza. Same the spirit anamu yusu as a power anamu modetonium more starting on concron as this time ya wuni bim.
Send a jack can was some days.
And then me Ghana for saying
Ghana for Ghana
the asomade enya asomade what you hear is what we ask or ask you when you come here.
Me and so one na make me Everyday fan chama me nkan wa me utie me worship sisi a ebe force am wa bompa sisi a.
Okay.
Say me bo me nka adade ebe bo me ye worship na Boza na dansable. Wo say onimtuni ko stage a to le bu ha nye worship nkwa so unya
so shake you ho.
Tina ma me Boza no. Du ka tete no na hu konkron no de bi de say hu konkron no ono
anu o da so wo mu ni.
Yeah, and I know we bu say ma say me say ah na then first na tetefo na nwom no to me wo msin and then say ah tetefo ya wo kan wo munya nwu wo mu da so tia se wo mu momra bi mu
okay
tetene na GTV nko a
okay
tu bo nwom pe ye bo nwom to aso 3 wo GTV the whole Ghana obi ati okay but na TV metima ha mani a e ko be e bro 500
ebro
tetefo no ka se ni omu wo ho no obi anwu yo ba ko pe na ewu comforter no omu maka nyina
o na say ayiso ye papa yiso ko set frimpon
aha but more na
set frimpon say the mensa bonsa we talk about titifon
Michael mensa bonsu
yes
so no so ko
edamrekum mu time
all right my remember Jack so senior pepacho yen hwa ade bi those days music any these days music you know difference room
bebre
difference room here dey pepacho those days any you know
the tell say on say you movie no mechanic say from the background that you feel you be think of obi nyumu na me per se na me papa obona homachi
okay
and on say even you be music mukra na you the producers be be adwuma no producer or a good listener no ojo nyomo a otie na anajo ahomachi
okay
eno tie nyom no ansana when we say bi anyom we no I say me the bible nchen anansa me ansa me the bible nchen o the that time no anyom a no moto na o the to ye head no ho sisi a me kan say sisi a no ye show base
okay
okay first no na ye ministry they took it as a ministry
okay
enti no before so obi ba ye anyom no kra no anyom no wo fapem uyi fapem ni fi ho a wa record anyom na wi kra no obesa akofra asofo bi mo ma ba studio ho be tie anyom no ehun anyom no se na esitie ansana pia abonten
okay
enti na be si ne then time anyom na omoto ye no and then in no na ye ku program cry to ema na di and enya den time nyum na but me can say omono na a ministry ye time in a show base
say momo dey show business
of course
other than man ye show business because about be business
in a way say that is why me mitna se ka say no me pese me ya ade a me trendy
okay
adenti I want to showcase myself
to the world
okay
but if you know say ade na me you know the kingdom business na me ya world no enya wo na obe showcase wo
okay
the kingdom will open a way for you
okay
kingdom no be mo wadidi kingdom no ebia kakra na waye no the few people no ombeje a ombe accept no will be the few people no so ebia ombe didi ama obi adi
okay na me na be didi ama obi adi
oh of course na it kroma say nyame na didi ma obi abidi
and so business so
nyame flow so our own charge
nyame na didi ma obi abidi in a way say nyame no cry here so obi ehu ne da
bida
nyuma kire ye say oni e wo ho
okay
enti se me e ka okuma na ene wo to botom na man bia nyame na aka wakoma wagidi ama me
say de na ewi amaji wi say o de o tayi akire enye samela o de o tayi akire
enye issue
issue
be so o ka me kuma de amle ba ma wan ka
enti me bawo now no let's come say it's a music, you know. Are we winning souls for God and now we are doing it for business?
Sisi ano say do baby no ebe business and ebe business.
Eh na dey some come do one pa. Say pastor transform me.
Say why show ni nyina wo.
Ebe business is here.
Okay.
Because you see I cry say producer a fawa. E sika no do room.
First no say the same thing producer for is can no the room.
Oh but on say mama ncho say sisi ano enyoma bebre abewure mu a first no so say akwa so like abro afa me oni me na bet on say ene no your manager your way your PRO your DND nti what you say nti ene no akwa say enyoma bebre abewure mu a ade na akoye purposely business nti ye showcase no na yeso ye de AGBB. Are you getting my point?
I'm still not getting it, but I will get it.
Say, Mama Cho say, in a way say, me come say. One. And then no say, ye market artista. Sika di wuro ni mu no. It's not like the first.
First, okay.
And as see anu nkrabatan so abedoso. Say, and the PR wa ha, and the special aid wa ha. And then we like containing nyoma bebre nti ama kwa say anu kra no say offering program class first no na nka bia o say bia nka charge o say bia man bia be 1000 say as anko phone na be wuram nti kan o say bo no be konanim
yes
on the business na be wuram
okay nti na me say gospel for your frame am charge
and it depend obia me kasa mo
o charge
ni wie say o na
me
wie say me say o charge
oni bra oni ni wie o
me say o charge
ni wie
so charge tuga o charge
ni ta gwati won na ade ama no na
Jack di nkomo ba me o charge
o ni wie anu o
charge
me nka o Jack
ko ma so we e no be di jala se ma no enti mo charge
de bi ka se mo abuza say o charge na ka se mo
na gospel fraternity
to me there are some program bi o me bageni
why
let's say
okay on say me nti asie mu no ni baby am so baby am fi am ba no on say o sorry bi o kra na on say omo ya sorry bi o kra na church administration no ye adwuma nti no on say sikasem no on say ye di bi tua workers bi e wa so nimu ka we won nti ase church na fa workers bi o mo so no e bia ye collection kakra na kwa e bi tuatua bi nimu ka e ma o mo so nya bi are you getting my point?
Team it's a whole team nti no o kwaje a ogi team ni de nyina
on say churches no e bia ofre wa ebi kura na omo ehia say like mechanic say ebia with ministry say like they need to at that time to come and bless the church. Into such a church no me no offer me a me to sempa ma.
Okay. Sempa ne dey.
Say they are all the bless me no.
Okay.
Praise God. And you will be muso who say no, who call no a business na wo koye.
Yeah. Enti sano kwa you don't care about the souls but you're going to do business.
So need the say me no enya me na me ba be yeso wo. Me no yes, me ba me nyum to onimu no. Na se so no ebefa yesu ayede kan na jenkwa. But me ba on there. See me ba on there.
I don't know be so no onimu. Who yesu doctor. Kumaje.
Uguza o ni je fie.
Asemu anu odi yo.
Osi so ni de o pa me so.
Enya me na me be so no waju.
So now why you want to
but you see, I like gospel musicians which say Jakalolo Memua.
Yeah,
because of baby omu free back. Any baby you are doing omu abedu. Kuma see, yen tiase say Bible said your cancer panel.
Obi
you do Rare TV. Non ko GP will be abroad GHTV.
There be
impossible.
Yes.
A sorry na all your program. Adentin obi oton kube and obi oton yogurt ogo friend be so meton masori debo any answer dey be ogo form meton masori wo.
Yes.
Why is the father or the church in Penford inviting Jack Alolome or Brother Sami for a reason? So ogo ton nu masori debo je be kese me bo me kese me bo my MCs bible ya mo mic na say 5 minutes o na me boa na wotumi tu na sokorese ne ba mo obo na ba ko be go asu ya mo 10 account yeah me boa mo kan say
yes
we do na kase MC ka ten say money 20 account
yes
no more discount more owi ani apaka ko hye edan bi mu na sofro so woni nyame nko sabe oko utu kai utofuo
yes
ube ko fi ube tofuo anye ya unu so didi ansa na wo ba recording you went to a recording studio.
You paid
the
for it.
The engineer took money from you.
You paid
because
for
you got your light bill.
Yes.
Who are you one ma? Juma we are so sorry. I won't try na menyum. Na o dey tuni pafo. Na so fu bi aka say, but to mano obi ye so o cross sponsor ya man e bi 100,000 Ghana cedis. O se Jakalo no beto nyum fan chanu. E dey how?
Yeah.
It is high time the churches and we all the Christians to understand that ye no no mto nyamenyum no they also need money to survive. If not baby ebe si omo no ya na ebe san bo mu dimbone because say Jack ti wonu mi okobọ nyum wie samitiwe na okosho wontua de ka obi ya galam say no so fo onum nyam begina ho na memo of 500 million na obekọ
oh yes obekọ why not
obekọ eti say omo begina omo nan so e wo Ghana hanum say on say Jack say office bi omo for na another ye mbogu keke he was making photo
emphasis be small ones be yeah man
aso fu be frɛ wo ko eduma na wie no no a envelope bi say on fresh Sami mami Sami na ediwe photo fu de me kim se me buo mo no
mo be kwa ko bi na 100 Ghana
wo nim say bia oh Awurade adum envelope mu odu nti e bia 1000 bia na 2000 at least utofu obenye bia hwe nkwala no wo fie no wo be bia mu no na 300 na 300 no 55 cedis ni ahyehyɛ nti mu odu pa
hey
instead of saying be a Jakalo me oh you say ye program invite you Mr. Obana Oba no saying na ye de mawa you betin dey jefie na bia wo record se beto so na dey oh papa we do adam mo nhwe na dey fata me no na mo dey amame but on you one kwanso a so for so no one kwa ye dey poster na one kwa hey Chromophobia ni Ghana ha o chen minimum solid demand me to no so fu no e di gospel musician attempt just because you invite you to be Lord fair.
na o musa lori fe no ba na bedo
we say o muni penny for me
na same so same Jack say ono no so no de otono nyum wo ye so ho adwuma and also come for business
o say
it's time for different mienu nyina
ye adwuma no so mo de nyame abetale ho nyame to bi kura afre na o charge o so wo mfiri nyame sesei se nyame dwuma mo so o de ma akwanti yeso ye mfa makwa
na o de koma kwa no de mpaboa na abehya ata de na abehya akwa kodjino de akoma kwa
me de ne se bia o ha na me ka me mum de
charge
program abehu se me gina ase no na ma gi ansa na me gina
program bia
me bi nkam
to charge
nsuo to ese na afa na woni ma be ka se na wa onim di aye me de me nkan wa me ntwa ntoro
oje
me gini nyina ansa na maba
It's yana ebasa na per charge. And do you look at the pastor or you have a specific charger?
There were programs juma no obi ko timi ka te beto nyum wo ma yi asema me. Okay. Peje funa me ma me e pese o de worship na e di ja me ma me kwan. Ibi ye yi. Obi ko timi ka se odi birthday wanya ne hunti be ye worship beto nyum ma me.
Said the chama di birthday.
So what say nti ebia wo the categories.
Okay.
A parcel.
Okay. Bia na ne de.
Bia yi. Okay. Be a birthday. Be a solid them. Be cry crusade.
And to in case all quite sorry them now quite ye na. Ya na upon sa wa jerry na o you still win souls and now you just
eh souls near ko win so nim de metimi ayenti no ofre me.
Okay.
Onim se same tonyo ma ni fra betimate.
Okay.
Same ba ha betonyo ma asori mpeja bebem.
My God.
Oba ha be ye de. Same ba ha betonyo ma ebetwe dom kura ba asafu no. Onim wa hwe mi TV so watie me nwom. Ena se na asofofo so be flow no na Ubi bia kana koma na nyame na akasa chen say this program on for asuma si na enye.
Anye, okay.
Ene so no fiti ya no flow. So obi wo kro flow na won sem na me na me se ngase me na me se oh di obi wa je obi si ni akasa kra no ense o saji ni sika.
Ntu ko wie na se o ma usika na wani so.
Omo ene obi so ho ma usika kutua no ani aso. Ba obi so ho ma usika bibire aso ba na unnu fie na
asa. Enti yana no what's the cost?
Ana make say enti no cost no dey. So pento tonto so.
Can be to me out.
Dem say o sika se ene nu fie na ahye no na say fa. Sika ne fa. Ana say sika na e de ma so sika na e de
so. Eti we do fie no dey
mo 200.
Odi be petrol di be ma organize a odi ne be ko be na.
Eti yana me ba o. Sometimes yana asofo nto mu se mo so mu hia because ono obeje correction nyina ana o mu ma musika.
Onim say na me ka say bi ata ba bia oji manuel siboni say me ka say so sintina.
Oh no I know the for shege reasons.
Me tell say o say ti say dia
Sameke
so for bia me sure say who invite you be for a program or opportunity we invite you because artists no do.
Yes.
So before some case my tone Africa so much we no. Now if you at that moment no, the church need the person.
Na mabona home paye.
And I'm more friend. What I say. But don't say. Me can in a way say. Say you were
abolo top me.
You were I did be say yes bibi the senses so said and sometimes on say a casachiro.
Yes.
Okay. What say you me cast a program here. You probably be saying so. Imagine say. And I'm catching say no. Me mean to charge no. Okay. But or can you do or frame no. And I'm moreover no. And you may be also so you do baby. I was so you more experience sure. You only probably or frau on phone now or casa.
Untimi kurant.
Or be casa no trese. We need the all and here we see continue be or frau.
Yes.
What do I say? Because of frau no. Yeah. Then I me young on this day what do you say?
Straight.
I want to film the baba.
Yes, straight.
No say why you ready say we now.
Okay, no, and I'm so they mean to charge you. But they have also they be free talk to me like Kabibi. I'm so boss. The way I friend me now cause I am not say wouldn't need me from afar. And you know mean to charge you. Wouldn't say if you come about 3 days, meaning SP.
DSP.
Oh, yeah, oh I say oh baby. They be mom 10,000 they be 3 days no 30,000.
Wow. Can go charge ya. Can go bobe.
Charge contract can be
maybe a couple less be.
Oh 3 days no be a man.
Yeah man.
5,000
Yes.
Well, but me trust some part the man no so they be a mama could say like mama could enter.
Wow. straight
nti me ka be say your program bi wo ha your fro cry na one kasa who feel say no to sempa farmer on
okay
and the woman kasa feel so person dey bless so no omo family so
okay
the hosa but one problem ba ko am so me won say on say isi ano so for na be doors ena akwai say me nim the way we see evaluate the gospel artist no fa bon say otofu bi like ebi no chia na me pejan kakra bi na wa tonta afro abo no akoye adwuma wie no wie na wo se ugya okwan na wo kono na wo te ho na wo twɛn
this way counts
ni abeka kira se papa se twɛn no oba abra wo so no tonta afro me unim se one me artist me wie kra na at least pe ba bi kra ye we ma me kra na koye se tell what you will be able to say. Binti na auto. Na papa say trying no oba. And I trying no oba. What nyame ampato bi abekwaja. Now that's too because of kakra was what the mountain.
And unta sameka so on the oba giants am.
Man say when him say me ntwa